Welcome back to Crafty With It, or welcome if you're new. I am actually going to make some gift tags for Christmas presents. My husband needs them to put on a present, so I'm actually going to make them with my Cricut, and I'm going to take you guys along with it. What you'll need is sticker paper. You will also need a Cricut to cut those. So I am going to take you step by step in my computer and show you what we do. The image into Canva. We want print and cut because we're going to print it on sticker paper, and then hit upload. Once it's uploaded, we are going to take it and add it to our canvas. Okay, so it looks like the image is too big. We need it to be 8.5 by 11. Actually, it's going to be even smaller than that because Cricut don't let you print 8.5 by 11. So we're going to reduce the size. See, I'll show you. It shows it's still too big. So we're going to go over here and see what the recommended size is. Image too large, reduce image size to 6.75 inches by 9.25. So I'm going to go back up to the top, unlock it by 9.25, relock it, and there's the images we're going to send to the printer. So we're going to hit make it. We don't want to mirror them because it's going right onto a sticker sheet. So that looks good. Hit continue. Right here we're going to send to printer. Okay, I want to select my Canon because that is my sticker printer. I take Add Bleed off and turn on US System dialog. And then I go over, find my Canon printer in my printer box, and hit Preferences. Okay, so I don't want plain paper. I want photo paper, but I want the matte photo paper. Quality, I want high, and then I'm all set to print. So you hit OK, and then print. Then it sends it to my printer. Looks like I need ink soon. Okay, it is printing now. And then we want glitter, or we want sticker paper. And then we'll search all materials for sticker paper. So it is white, so we're going to do printer sticker paper, printable sticker paper white, and hit done. sorry about that. I had to replace the magenta. Now it wants me to replace the cayenne. Now that it is printed, we're going to go ahead and go over to our Cricut machine. We're going to load the sticker paper onto the blue Cricut mat, which is the less sticky. Okay, so we're going to use the light grip mat. And here is the tags. We're going to put it on the mat. Use your brayer to get it to stick good. That way it don't shift as it's trying to cut them. Sorry guys, I usually do this over on my workstation, but I didn't want to keep moving you guys around. So it's on the mat, and we're going to put it into Cricut. Okay, so the light's blinking on the Cricut. We're going to put it in and hit the button. It's going to line itself up. And then the play button right here will light up. And we're going to hit that button and it's going to proceed to cut. It is done cutting. You want to make sure that it's cut all the way through prior to taking it out of your Cricut, because if it's not, you can actually just hit the play button one more time and have it cut again. So now we're going to flip the mat over. See, that was even a little bit too much because I wanted these a kiss cut, but they'll work. They're just individual, which works for us. So then we are going to use our spatula tool. And we're going to spatula them off. Oops. Sometimes that'll happen. I'm checking to see if I have to recalibrate my... No, it looks like that's... Sometimes you may have to recalibrate your Cricut. But it looks like every single one of these ones has the same on everyone. And then we're just going to just keep taking them off the mat. Carefully as possible. Let's set the mat aside. And there's the stickers for your gift boxes. Thank you for following me for Vlogmas Day 4. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and the share button. It helps my channel out a great deal. Have a great night, everybody.